Hello, I'm Divyansh Singh and I'll be presenting my final year project demonstration on the topic of comparison of different multi-level inverter topologies. I'm Divyansh, my teammates are Monish and Shayan Ghosh. We are from EEE department and we are batch 14. So in this project that we have compared these three topologies mentioned here and using two switching techniques which are PD-PWM and POD-PWM. So phase opposition disposition and phase disposition pulse width modulation technique. The difference between both of them is that at the reference they are phase shifted by 180 degrees from each other. And these topologies will be hereby referred from their abbreviations, such as diode clamp will be referred from as DCMLI, modular multi-level converter will be referred as MMC, and cascade edge bridge will be referred as CHP. Heading on to the simulation circuits that we have simulated, that this is how the circuit looks like. So these all are the carrier waves and this is the sinusoidal wave that I'm applying. This section is the implementation of that entire switching technique onto the switches in order to produce a 5-level stepped output waveform. So the output that we'll get for each circuit is same. It will be a 5-level stepped waveform, and the input that we'll be applying will also be the same. And depending upon the circuit configuration, we'll be obtaining a different distortion present in their output voltage waveform. So right now here you can see that I've applied POD technique. So that's the reason the waveform is shifted at the reference. And if I want to look at the distortion present in the output waveform, so this is how we can find it out. So this is the FFT analysis of the output waveform that we are getting, which I'll be showing you. And you can see here we are obtaining a distortion. THD is shown here as 26.9. And the output voltage waveform is this 5-level stepped waveform. So in this manner we have simulated 6 other circuits. This PD CHB circuit with a different switching technique. From the surface outside it looks like it's the same, but the input signals are different. This is the diode clamp circuit. The entire circuit is different, but the input switching technique is the same. This is the circuit with POD technique. This is modular multi-level converter circuit. This is the entire circuit, and this is with POD technique. And the entire output we have compiled here, and we have displayed in the form of a table. So these are the distortion we have observed.